Hi, Lord, and welcome to a special Mountain Dew review. Earlier in 2024, Mountain Dew released 3 new flavours. The red, the white and the blue. Also known as the Star Spangled Splash, the Freedom Fusion and the Liberty Chill. Now I've already done all 3 of these drinks as separate reviews, but today I want to do them all together at the same time to see which one's the best. Let's find out what these are all about. Whoa. Right, so that's what they look like when they're not in their cans. But which one is the best? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, but less so. Yeah, that's very sweet, that one. That one just tastes like a sort of regular Mountain Dew. Oh yeah, that's kind of got a nice creamy taste to it, that one. Put the fucking drink down. What I'm going to do now is I'm not going to look at which drink is which, and to prove that I'm going to take my hat off. There must be people up here who think I'm talking to a tree. Should we do it? That's gonna take... How the fuck did that turn purple? Well, if you mix red, blue and white together, you get purple. I don't need the tree anymore. Thanks, tree. Look at that. It turned purple. Right, so this is now the very rare purple Mountain Dew. It's a mixture of all 3. So now let's find out what a purple Mountain Dew tastes like. Oh. So my order of best to worst is first, second and not first. Alright, there you go, that's it. That's my review for what it's worth. Your opinion might be different, but mine's the only one that's important around here. Thanks for watching, and until the next time, you take care.